Can you really make money while you sleep? Is passive income for real? Can you make money online without marketing and selling? Now, the answer for all of those questions is big yes. Now, wait a minute. I know you're about to close this page because you're getting skeptical. But just give me a couple of minutes and I'll prove to you that it is possible. And keep your credit card away because you don't need it here. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmed Ali. I started learning about online businesses and making money online since 2003. I failed for years and years before I make my first sale with affiliate marketing, which is a great way, by the way, to make money online. And I struggled for a long time before I started making good income from this business. And even after having great success, I faced several roadblocks and I have to go back to make changes, learn new skills in order to keep the ball rolling. So there are so many ways actually to make money online actively, and those like affiliate marketing, for example, which is one of the best ways in my opinion, but it requires a lot of work where you have to go and promote other people's products and make a commission. You can sell digital products or physical items. You can also do digital product creation. You can create your own product as a course or software as a service or an ebook, for example, and you sell it. But as you know, this requires also lots of work to create the product itself and also to promote it and sell it. There is also e-commerce and dropshipping where you can sell physical products. They can be your own products or you can use the dropshipping model. There's also network marketing where you have to recruit people, do marketing, train your team. There's also the freelancing, which in my opinion, the worst online business model because it is very active because you are trading your time with money. And freelancing simply is providing online services. Like, for example, if you have some skills in programming, web design, graphic design, then you can offer those skills to other people. And only when you provide the service, you get paid. And there is so many other ways. Those here are just for example. Now, all active online income business models require knowledge. You have to learn how to do it properly, and maybe you need to join coaching programs, buy expensive courses, and you need to spend long time as well learning and applying those skills. They require effort, they require focus, they require patience and consistency. And I believe that most of the people fail online or offline maybe because they don't have one of those requirements. So what is this system that's going to make you money while you sleep without selling, without talking to people, without recruiting people, 100% fully automated? Are you ready for this? It is cryptocurrency trading. Oh, sorry. I mean fully automated cryptocurrency trading. And if you're getting skeptical again, please give me one more minute and I'll explain to you how it works. So what is cryptocurrency? If somebody asks this question, I'll be kind of surprised because almost everybody right now knows what cryptocurrency is. But maybe you are not familiar with the term cryptocurrency, but maybe you heard about Bitcoin. Maybe you heard about Ethereum, maybe you heard about Shiba coin, Dogecoin. There are actually thousands and thousands of coins out there, and they are all called cryptocurrencies, which is a form of digital currency. Now, I cannot go and explain more information about it in this short video, but this is all what you need to know right now. So what is trading? Trading simply is to buy low and sell high. So let me explain. For example, if you're trading Bitcoin, USD or USDT pair, this vertical line here will represent the value of Bitcoin in US dollar, and this horizontal line will represent the time in minutes. It can be minutes, it can be in hours, whatever. Now, let's assume that this is the movement of the value of Bitcoin in US dollar through a specific period of time. Now, let's assume that you open the trade here and you buy at the price $10. Okay, I know that Bitcoin worth much more than $10 in the meantime, but this is just an example for demonstration, okay? After a while, you may decide to sell at this point here when the value of Bitcoin was $14. So here you are going to earn the difference between the 14 and the $10, which is $4 here. So from this trade, you make $4 in profit. And after a while, you may decide to open another trade when the value was $28. Let's assume that it is here. And you waited for a while when the price hit $60. So the value of Bitcoin here was $60 and you sell. So you're going to earn the difference between $60 and $28, which is going to be $32. If you add it to the $4 that we earned from the previous trade, the total will be $36 and so on. So this is how simple it is to trade cryptocurrency. It looks very simple, right? I'm sorry to break it to you, but it's just not that easy. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of experience staring at your computer screens and taking decision when to buy and when to sell. And even the most experienced traders, they won't be able to make 100% profitable trades. The good ones can make up to 85 or maybe 90%, which is very rare, successful trades. but there are going to be some loss. But if they are really experienced and they know what they are doing, they will be in profit at the end. But actually they are going to be spending lots and lots and lots of time in front of their computer screens. They may spend up to 18 hours per day analyzing the charts, checking the latest news, and then think 1,000 times before they take a decision of when to buy and when to sell, which is really, really frustrating. And this cannot be a passive way to make money. So how to automate crypto trading? Is that even possible? Now the answer is, of course it is possible, and that is using AI technology, which is artificial intelligence program software that will generate you 100% profitable trades. Yes, that's exactly what it is. There is no losses here. All the trades using this software will close only when they are profitable. Now this piece of software that's going to do all of this is called EasyBot. Now, I cannot explain everything about EasyBot in this short video, but there's another video on this page below, which is the next video, where you can watch the live event for the launch of EasyBot. You can see the people behind this amazing piece of software and how they came up with this bot in the first place. So I would recommend that you watch that video, but not in the meantime, just after you finish this one. So what you have to do right now is to click on that big button that you see under this video in order to sign up for a free account in EasyBot. So what you have to do right now is to click on this big black button that you see under this video. It says join EasyBot for free, and it's going to open this page in a new tab. And what you have to do here is to fill in this form with your full name, your email address, your password, confirm the password again here, then select the country from the list, and you can add your phone number as well and click on register. Once you click on register, you're going to receive a confirmation email. What you have to do is to click on the link or the button on that email in order to confirm your email address. Once you do that, you'll be able to access your account. And that's it for now. So now you signed up for a free account. What to do next? I would recommend that you scroll down and you watch the video for the launch event or the pre-launch event, which was in Dubai on the 24th of February 2022, to learn more about this software and who are the people behind it. And after that, I would recommend that also you join our Facebook group. You're going to find the link somewhere on this page below. Click on that button and join our Facebook group. And also, if you are still in the pre-launch stage and you want to make even more money by promoting this software, because they have a very lucrative compensation plan, and you'll be able to copy this same page that you're in right now for free and start promoting it to other people. Now, if you're watching this video later after the launch, then what you can do also after that is to go and activate your bot to start earning passive income as well. And that's going to be explained in other videos later. So that's it for this video. Make sure that you've already signed up for free account in EasyBot. That's the most important thing. And after that, scroll down and follow the rest of the steps on this page.